Hello traders, it is Monday, March 16th. Trading had been halted down in free fall where remained firm at Alpha Fibonacci support at Alpha Fibonacci bullish trend inception. This is a chart present in the trading room for the last few weeks. This is where Dow crashed from on March 5th, and this is bullish trend inception. On the news world in free fall, on the chart Dow rallying. This is a bullish trade on Dow in a progress, Dow moving higher. Intelligent trader protecting profits, intelligent trader not shorting the market when priced at bullish trend inception. Intelligent trader adjusting stop outside of break-even, taking this as a critical target, correct? Multiple bullish trades present on multiple instruments, from S&P, Dow to oil. Intelligent traders are done for today. Intelligent traders not succumbing to news. Intelligent traders not reacting. Intelligent traders strategizing and being proactive. This is what students have done. Students done for the day. Take a look. During historical week, this is what's possible. Everyone, take a look. Circuit breakers hit, markets are closed. Traders prepared. Post reopen, Emmanuel S&P 15 points. David killing it. Gold 41, oil 32. Jennifer, stunning wife of Emmanuel. Honored to have Jennifer on board. 6 points on S&P, Emmanuel 20 points on Dow. And S&P marker 5 points, a little bumped, closed a little too early. Last 6 points S&P, Jennifer supporting everyone. Here's a stunning historical, for me personally to see. Couple trading together, Emmanuel supporting his wife. This is incredible positive energy of incredible traders. Emmanuel thanking Gary. Gary supporting everyone. Here we go. David, more on S&P, killing it. And that's stunning work of Alpha Fibonacci Traders. And here's a trade on Dow. My goodness, what in the world has happened on this trade on Dow? Anyone surprised? It reached Alpha Fibonacci target, correct? Intelligent traders down for the day. Intelligent traders are not surprised where selling pressure coming from. This is the power of being proactive, strategic trader, even in historical market conditions. If you can trade in this market, you can trade it all. As you see, Alpha Fibonacci traders do. From S&P to Dow to oil to gold. To options to stocks to forex. From 1 minute to daily to weekly to monthly charts. There is no surprise, traders. What market have done this morning? So post Halt, how many points did Dow skyrocketed, traders? From 20,175 to 20,858. My goodness, is it possible trading halted and Dow skyrocketing 600 points, roughly so? Of course. Alpha Fibonacci traders well prepared. Alpha Fibonacci traders know. When reversal zone is present, you never short into. Never, ever, ever. And again, if I convert this chart to 1, that's what played out. That's a hold. And that's ultimate Alpha Fibonacci support. And if I convert this chart to 3, it's ultimate Alpha Fibonacci support. And what played out on Thursday and Friday is no surprise. Bullish rally from 20,200 all the way to 23,000 level. What is a lesson? of bearish markets. What is the lesson of historical week? Trade the chart you see, not the nasty noise you hear. In vicious bearish markets, you will have vicious bullish rallies when Alpha Fibonacci support is present. Short from resistance in European session, not post-market hold in US session. That's a stunning lesson every day when we come to the markets. And when crucial target is reached, on Alpha Fibonacci trade, intelligent trader done for the day. It is black and white. It will never change. You do not need many trades. What you need is quality in your trading. So if these traders can do it, so can you. It's black and white. If you can trade in these market conditions, you can trade it all in any and every markets. Flawless work, everyone. I'm thrilled for you. You ready to become strategic, intelligent trader? You ready to trade stress-free in any market conditions? I look forward to working with you. Choose from 4 options available to you on the products section. Trade with lifetime software license with 3 months group course or 6 months private mentoring, which includes all group classes, which includes video library, which includes modules with other videos. You can view videos 24/7. You can come to live classes Monday through Thursday. It's never a requirement. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. And that's stunning lesson of this morning. If these traders can do it, so can you. All you have to do, make an effort. All you have to do, be serious about trading.